A few days ago, we introduced you to a broker. That broker is very popular because of their different type of service, such as their facilities of verifying the whole account with just an ID card, instant account verification facility, the advantage of to speak directly in your own language, zero spread account. So they are becoming very popular because of their various service. And that's why I introduce you to this broker so that you can trade in a good broker house. Because traders in our country suffer from verification problem and high spread. That's why you can trade safely here. So that's broker name is HotForex. Today we will verify the whole account here and we will give you proof. Then stay with us. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. At the beginning, I will tell you that when you make an account, you must make an account through the link of FOREX BD. I say again, when you make an account, you must make your account through the link given in the description of this video. This will allow you to easily verify the whole account with just an ID card. Participate in any type of contest and offer. There will be many facilities for you and also zero spread account. So after clicking on the link, a page will come like this. Here you have to fill in your information. First your country name, which will given automatically. Then you have to submit your phone number. After submitting your phone number, you have to write your name. First, you have to write your first name, then you have to write your second name. That means first name and last name. Then there is the email address. So in this option, write your email address. After writing the email, you can see the date of birth written on the side. You must select your date of birth by looking at the NID card. Then I will set up my password in a strong way because it's important to give a strong password for account security. Then if you click on the register option with the tick mark below, you will get a activation email with a link in your email. You have to activate your account by clicking on that link. So we came to our email and we got an email from HotForex. So if you click on this option, our email will be verified. Then you will be taken to a new page where you have to fill in the rest of information. There are several options, such as where you born, so you have to submit your country name again. And next is title. You have to select your title like Miss, Mr. or Mrs. If you boy, select Mr. If you girl, select Miss. Then there is the address. The address must be filled in by looking at the back part of an ID card. Many people become confused as to whether to use permanent address or existing address. In this case, submit the address which is written in your NID card. So I submit my address, postal code and country here. Then you can see the option below. Now it's the notification option. That means how you want to know the different type of update about the broker. If you want SMS to come to your phone, then click SMS. Then the currency is below. So you all know the used currency is famous in all countries. So you can select it and then click on the save and continue option. Then another page will come up here asking some information such as your educational status, your information, your income, your funding source, etc. So you can read this and give answer as you like. Or you can select anyone, or you can do it very easily by watching our video. Then we have to submit our trading experience. So we are submitting. Then you can select no in all the options below. Here you see some option. So you can select no. Then click on save and continue below to go to next page. So a new page has come up and here we have to submit the document to verify the account. That means now it's verify turn. Our account is already open. Now it's time to verify. There is no problem in verifying. Only with the NID card you can verify your whole account. So let's see how to verify account. Before that, I would like to say those who don't subscribe at FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's see how to verify. Since we need to verify the account, so we have to submit our document. You all know how to submit document. You are also expert in this matter. So the first option you see is the ID verification option. Here you have to submit the ID card. So the first option is to submit the front part of your ID card. submit exactly as you see here. If you click on the choose file option, you will get an option to select your document. Select it from there. After that, you will see the option on the side here. You have to submit the back part of your ID card. So submit your back part just like before. Then upload this document by clicking on the upload icon you see below. This will upload the document for verifying your ID. Then go down a bit. Here you have to verify your address. For address verify, you have to upload the back part of your ID card. We said at the beginning you can verify your whole account with just an ID card. So you have to upload your back part of your NID card for address verification. So upload it as before. Click on choose file, then you can select your document. After selecting, you will click upload icon, then your document will be uploaded. You can see we uploaded our all document. So our work is done. So once the ID is verified, we will show you the proof. So stay with us. So viewers, you can see we got an email from HotForex and here is written our account is approved. So I easily verify the account with just an ID card and without any hassle. It's very easy to verify account with just an ID card because you don't have to be rejected again and again. So now we will open an trading ID from here. So after making an account, log in to that account and you can see at the below there have an option called open new trading ID. So click here. Then a new page will appear. Here you have to select your ID, then leverage and currency. Then if you confirm, your ID will open and your account details will be shown in front of you and they will send an email to your email address. So viewers, this is how you can open an account here, verify your account here and open trading ID here. So I hope you can understand and I hope you can do it very easily. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comments on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.